Sorry, it comes down. It's just a bra. Relax. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I haven't posted nothing since 8 months ago of sophomore year. 8 months. And we're out of school, so whoa. And I didn't even record nothing about last day of school, nothing. I'm sorry. When I was at school, I was doing a lot of work and trying to finish everything as possibly I can so I could record. But like, I'm gonna talk real fast because I'm not trying to let this video go long. The whole point of me talking in this video right here, the part how I said it all about 8 months, is just that I was struggling in one of my classes and I didn't want that to bring me down to stop doing YouTube or to stop recording myself. I wanted to go back. I was thinking about that in my whole year, but I passed the class. At this whole point, I'm just saying I was kind of stressed, and it's bad for your health and everything. I'm back, and I'm gonna really talk fast right here because I really want to start the video. So, here's me talking back. Today in this video, I'm just gonna like do my makeup as fun, just for fun. As the other video, I'm gonna do my makeup, and then I might have my hair up and just act like I have bangs in the front. I'm gonna do something. I did it last time. It was with my straight hair and I didn't have curly hair. It was just straight. Yeah. Let's get on the video. Oh, wait. Hold on. I forgot to say. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, and subscribe. Yeah. But let's get on the video. First thing is like, you know, is this one. And I'm gonna put it all in my eye. I was gonna do my hair first. It's gonna be the bangs are gonna cover my eye and I'm gonna be able to do my eyeshadow. So okay, I just put primer in my eyes. The eye look that I want to do, I got it from Instagram. This she does makeup. She's 14. My eyes. Her name is Cassandra, and this is like that. I'm gonna try my best. Do it. So. Let's do my eyes so we can start doing it. My skin is like trying to come back clean. It's just a little breakout, a little, but yeah. My eyebrows are not fleek. They're bushy. I'm just kidding. I kind of tweeze them a little, but yeah. Part is like putting a crease on first. You draw the crease first, I think. Oh my god.
Oh, you nasty.
I'm gonna get my brush. Hold up. And I'll clip my hair like that. The colors that she used, I feel like she used like Jaclyn Hill palette. This one. This is my first palette, I think, or maybe I'm gonna use it. It's right there. I'm gonna use that one. It's like a little bit black. I'm gonna use some in Jaclyn Hill palette and orange. So I'm mostly gonna use these two palettes right here. It has orange right here too. This is tape. I'm gonna use tape because I don't know how to do a crease without tape yet. But let me find some tape. Okay, I just got tape and I'm just gonna tape where how sharp it is. My mirror is right here. Are they equal? Yeah, I guess they're equal. I don't know. Okay, we're already tape on. Now we're gonna I'm gonna do tape on it. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna use this brush, the M432 crease liner right here. So line it how she did it. Okay, I already lining it, and I might like this one and this one. The same. I'm gonna add this color, this orangey, dark orangey color. like that. I'm gonna do it in this side and I will kind and back. And this is the eyes. Next is concealer, and I'm kind of scared about that one too because I don't want to mess up everything. Just because of the concealer. Heart concealer. This is the shade light neutral. It's my mom's, but I'm just using it. Teal. All right. Gonna color it. Oh my god, this is the best conceal that I ever done. So I usually messed up and then I had to start over again, but I'm proud of myself. With the M432, the same color, and just line it top. I just line both of them. I'm gonna fix it again later because I'm add a little bit black. But yeah, next is adding the colors inside the eyes. So she did yellow, orange, and black at the black on the side. So she like smudge it, smooth it like that. So I'm gonna add eyelashes. If I could try to put eyelashes, I would be so proud. Like I'm proud of this eye concealer because usually I messed up and this time I didn't. She had yellow in the inner corner, so I'm gonna put yellow inside the inner corner. Soft brushes. I have 3 brushes that they're kind of flat. So yeah. This one is Morphe M167. I'm gonna use this one for the yellow. The Zulu by Juvias. Like something like that. I'm sorry if I'm saying the name wrong. This palette. It has yellow and orange, so I'm gonna use this yellow right here. It's like this. Next is the orangey. This brush, this random brush, it's Elizabeth Mott. This brush right here, this random brush. Middle of the eye. A little bit black how she did it. Cute. Trying my best not to ruin this eye color. And the brush that I use is number 11 ABH Cosmetics. With another soft brush, I'm gonna use black, so it won't be just like lines like that. And this is the Bodio Grappy Pro. And this is a flat shader. I'm gonna go back with this, the red one that I just lined the crease like that. Oh my god, I put some lashes. These are the lashes. I'm gonna clean a little bit up right here in the bottom. And I put some lashes on for the first time by myself. But these are the lashes. Those are the lashes. Lip gloss. I like this lip gloss a lot. I want to do a line on my lip. It's kind of cut off, but this is my favorite. My Dia gave me this, and this is Okay, you guys, I did my hair in the bun, as you can see. Oh shoot, it's falling. I was gonna do like, you know, bangs in the front, but there you go. You got a little bit bangs right here. It's just randomly. I just like put it up, I twirl it. I don't put my hair and then wrap it around and then just like hold it as a bun like that and leave all these curls out, and then I just boop it like that. Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow. This one right here. On my lip. This is my eye makeup. I like how it turns out. It's different. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please share and subscribe and like.